Children, in the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas, let us learn how an angle is formed. Almost all the objects we come across in our daily lives have one or more angles. You will find that two lines or line segments or rays with the same starting point form an angle. Here you can see two rays OA and OB with same starting point O. O is the vertex of the angle. The two rays OA and OB are the arms of the angle. A small curve at the vertex shows an angle. Now the symbol for representing an angle is two inclined lines. Now let's name the above angle in three different ways. First, by using three capital letters. So we write angle AOB or angle BOA. The letter in the middle is always the vertex of the angle. Second, by using its vertex, so we write angle O. But remember, we cannot name angles by the vertex if there is more than one angle at the vertex. Third, by placing numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. or by small letters like X, Y, Z, etc. Interior of an angle is the part enclosed by the arms of the angle. Now here, yellow colored region is the interior of the angle. The part of a plane outside the arms is its exterior, and the arms of the angle are called its boundary. Now you can see here the points BCH lies in the interior of the angle. The points A, D and G lies in the exterior. The points E and F lie on boundary of the angle. Now let's do a question. Now here we have to find out how many angles are formed in the figure and we have to name the angles. Now to count the angles, let's place the numbers. So we have angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see line segment AC further divides angle 1 into two angles. So let's name it 5 and 6. Similarly, angle 3 is also divided into two angles. So let's name it as 7 and 8. Now let's name the angles using three capital letters. Here, angle 1 is equal to angle BAD. Angle 2 is equal to angle ABC. Angle 3 is equal to angle BCD. Angle 4 is equal to angle ADC. Now children, you can see here, while naming an angle, I am always writing the vertex in the middle. Angle 5 is equal to angle BAC. Angle 6 is equal to angle CAD. Angle 7 is equal to angle BCA. Angle 8 is equal to angle ACD. Children, I hope you are getting these angles. Now let's learn about a triangle. A triangle is a polygon with three sides. Now let's draw a triangle. Now let's name it as triangle ABC. To represent a triangle, a small triangular shape is drawn. So we name it as triangle ABC. Now a triangle has three sides. Let's name AB, BC, AC. Now let's name the three angles. Angle ABC angle BCA and angle BAC. The three sides and the three angles form the 6 elements of the triangle. Now vertex is the point of intersection of any two sides of a triangle. So here we have 3 vertices, that is 3 corners of the triangle. So these are points A, B and C. Now the part enclosed by triangle is its interior. So here you can see yellow shaded portion. It is the interior of the triangle. Now the part outside the triangle is its exterior. Now the interior region along with the boundary of the triangle is known as the triangular region. Now let's discuss opposite sides, vertices and angles. Now children, in the triangle ABC, vertex A is the point of intersection of sides AB and AC. BC is the third side. So it is opposite to vertex A because sides AB and AC can't be the opposite sides because they have a common point. So side opposite to vertex A is BC. Now the side opposite to vertex B is AC. Angle opposite to side AB is angle C. Angle opposite to side AC is angle B. Now vertex opposite to side BC is vertex A. Now vertex opposite to side AB is vertex C. Now let's do a question. Now take 3 non-collinear points P, Q and R and join PQ, QR and RP. Then we have to name the following. So let's draw the figure. Now we know that when we join 3 non-collinear points, we get a triangle. Now let's name this triangle as PQR. Now, first part, the side opposite to angle Q is PR. The vertex opposite to side PQ, it is vertex R. The angle opposite to the side QR, it's angle P. Now the side opposite to the vertex P, it is side RQ. Now let's learn about a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Let's draw a quadrilateral. Now let's name the quadrilateral as ABCD. Now it has 4 sides, namely AB, BC, CD and AD. Now it has 4 angles. Let's name the angles by its vertices. So we have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Now let's name the 4 vertices. Vertex is a point where 2 sides meet. So we have 4 vertices. Point A, point B, point C and point D. Now 2 vertices which do not have a common side are called opposite vertices. And by joining opposite vertices, we get diagonal. So here AC and BD are the two diagonals. And the two vertices which have a common side are called adjacent vertices. Now, here in the figure, let's write adjacent sides. Now, any two sides having a common endpoint are adjacent sides. So, here you can see side AB and BC are adjacent sides. The common endpoint is B. Now, side BC and side CD have common endpoint C. Side CD and side AD has common endpoint D. Side AD and side AB has common endpoint A. Now let's write opposite sides. Now opposite sides do not have any common endpoint. So here you can see AB and CD are opposite sides. Similarly, BC and AD are opposite sides. Now let's write the adjacent angles. Now two angles having a common side are called adjacent angle. So here you can see angle A and B. They have common side AB, so they are adjacent angles. Angle B and angle C, they have common angle. They have common side BC. Angle C and D, they have common side CD. Angle D and angle A, they have common side AD. Now let's name opposite angles. Now two angles that do not have any common side are called opposite angles. So here you can see angle A and angle C. They are opposite to each other. They don't have any common side. Angle B and angle D. Now the region inside a quadrilateral is called the interior. Now here you can see the yellow part. It is the interior of the quadrilateral. Now the part of a plane lying outside the quadrilateral is called its exterior. Now let's do a question. Now draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral LMNQ and then you have to state the following. So first let's draw the quadrilateral. Let's name it as LMNQ. Now let's answer the given questions. First, two pairs of opposite angles. So here you can see angle L and angle N are opposite angles. And the other pair is angle M and angle Q. Second part, two pairs of opposite sides. So here you can see LM and QN are opposite sides. LQ and MN are also opposite sides. Third, two pairs of adjacent sides. So we have here LM and MN with common endpoint M. Then we can write MN and NQ with common endpoint N. Fourth part, two pairs of adjacent angles. So here you can see angle L and angle M. They have common side LM. So they are adjacent angles. Second pair, angle M and angle N. They have common side MN. Children, I hope you got all these questions. Thank you. And I hope you will be able to do worksheet questions also. Thank you.